How to check who viewed your Snapchat profile. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and after that launch the Snapchat application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now simply tap on your profile at the top left corner of the screen. So here you can see your public profile, so just tap on public profile option. Here you can see three options from stories, spotlights to insights, so tap on insights over here. Now as you tap on insights, here you can see there are different viewers and there's different option of snap views, viewers and so on. And when you tap on it, you'll be able to see that you'll only get to see the quantifiable data but not the exact person who has viewed your profile. So it's practically not possible to check who has viewed your Snapchat profile. However, you can add the stories to your public profile and you can add spotlights, and if somebody reacts or somebody sees your stories or spotlight, then you might be able to see who has viewed your Snapchat profile as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.